I'm just going to teach you how to set up your BOSS My account and access your e-learning portal. So you go to digitalorthodonticcollege.com website, click My account, and first thing would be to register a new account. So for example, we are going to do one right now, and you choose your login and password. Just make sure you remember this. So we're just trying for the very first time to register as a new student. Once you go into the portal and you register an account, you have to do two really important things. The first thing is actually to do your two-factor authenticator pairing with Google Authenticator on either your iPhone or iPad. Just remember, if the Google Authenticator does not pair, you cannot access any online materials, courses, or tests. So you must always have your authenticator paired. Nowadays, if you're doing any kind of accounting, it is a requirement as well. So you must be familiar with Google Authenticator. If you change your device, your phone, your iPad, where it's paired, you will have to contact us and reset this again. Now, for the first time, it is a bit slow, but here we are. We are now in our dashboard, My account. For the very first time, if you notice, and I try to go into online courses and tests, you don't have any access here. So this access is manual. It is only upon clicking here and sending us an order that we are able to give you this access. But before you even do that, you can never see your online courses and tests unless you have your two-factor authenticator set up. So I've gone into the menu for two-factor authentication setup. It's really important that you simply scan this QR code and click activate two-factor. Do not do anything else. So I'm opening Google Authenticator on my phone. When you open, on the bottom right, press the plus key, select scan QR code. I'm bringing my phone close to the QR code, and it is now added. Now I'm simply going to click activate two-factor authentication. You must click that. If you don't click, it doesn't work. And now it's telling you two-factor authentication is active on your account. So you can now view your courses and tests, but for the very first time when you join BOSS, you have to submit an order for us to approve it. So let's go submit that order. When you're submitting that order, look, some of this stuff is a little bit historical, but you will have to enter your full name here. You will have to enter your practice name, your billing address. So we're going to put our office address here, and you can see what we're doing. And you basically have to replicate this. Put in your phone, put in your email. It's a good idea to please use your entire legal first name and last name, your position, your role, who you are, and dietary requirements. This is in case we're ever having any face-to-face event. You know, we've never had anyone tick Twitter, by the way. No one's ever found us on Twitter, but let's say somebody did. So you have to scroll through some of these terms and conditions. But look, these terms and conditions are a little bit older. So bear in mind, the terms and conditions that are the most important are on your invoice. So I will just read through these and I will place my order. Again, you'll see this scrolly mouse. It's a little bit slow, so just bear with us. Now, upon placing this order, we will receive an email. And usually within 24 hours, if your payment is done and the first deposit has been paid, we will be activating it and approving it. When we approve, you will receive an email saying you are now ready to access your e-learning portal. So what we're going to do is pause this video once the order is done and come back and show you what it's going to look like for you. So we will just wait here till you get the acknowledgement. Make sure you don't quit the page yet. Make sure that you get the acknowledgement that it has been submitted. Once you get the access, you will log out, you will log back in, you'll need your password and your Google Authenticator code. So the website can be a little bit slow at times when it comes to these orders. So here we've had the order received. You should have also received an email, and this email would be sent to that email address that you just nominated down the bottom. And it's just saying, please give us a bit of time. Okay, so we're going to just log out. And we're going to come back to you. Received an email from us saying your order has been processed, and if that is the case, basically you can now go in, log in again. Okay, so we're going into my account. We're going to log back in this time with what we just created. It should ask you for the Authenticator code, and if you have done this correctly, this should work. Okay, so make sure you follow all the steps we give you. So I'm going to log in now with my Authenticator code. I have been approved for access for the e-learning portal. Again, first time it will be slow to load. Then you can just leave it open on your computer and you won't have to repeat this step over and over again. Here we are. So if we click on online courses and tests now, because we have approved your order, you see your online portal is all here. Okay, so this is all the different lectures, and as you see, very long vertical wall that keeps going, but please don't fret. You will get through this. So this is a UK postgrad diploma. I will click here. If you click on any of the content, basically it will open up another window for you where you will be able to review the content and get started with your course. This one's not working because we actually had someone else logged in. However, in your account, if you click this, you will be able to view all of this and go through your e-learning portal. You can also access the Slack forum, which is our forum for chatting with us, but again, because we're logged into a different module, you won't be able to see it. You can book online coaching from here. So when it's time to do your coaching session, time to do your Viva, your final assessment, if you have any course query, you can also ask me here. You can book different appointments with me directly from here, and you can also go to the online library. Sorry, this is my e-learning portal, by the way, and I'm in it and I can see all the content here. So it's a great thing to do is to start with the beginner's corner and orientation resources, go vertically from top down, and as you see, there's a lot of content to get through. There's a lot of online tests as you get through the content. Right down the bottom are all the files we want you to download, and we can always give you more if you need more. So we will go back to BOSS My Account, and again you can see that you can also access the online library. When you join us, you would have been given a username and password. You will sign into the Science Direct from that username and password, and you will be able to access and download about 400 dentistry titles. So guys, this is what it is. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you set it up all correctly. If you ever get a new device or phone, we will deactivate this, and you will have to reactivate it just like we did before. So thank you for watching how to set up your BOSS My account and get e-learning portal access. Talk to you soon. I'll see you in the course shortly. Bye.